The students of the American University in Cairo are always one call away when it comes to helping others and giving back to the community. And that's why the Student Union of the AUC always makes sure to organize events that allow the students to contribute to community services. This year, the Student Social Responsibility Committee, known by SSR, organized Back to School campaign in its 4th edition, which they usually plan at the beginning of the fall semester to get school packs for the children of the AUC workers.
Our project is a student social responsibility. So basically our aim is to raise awareness about the responsibilities that we have towards our community and give back to our community. We do several events to fund our initiatives. Like the event that we did today, it was a tournament for a cause where people come and play and they can optionally donate and pay for the pack. So what is the pack? We're basically funding a back to school campaign. Back to school campaign is an initiative where we serve our valuable AUC workers with back to school packs for their children. So people in this tournament come to play, and at the same time they're making a difference and making a child happier with her own pack.
In this campaign, the committee organizes events during the semester to collect donations to fund the school packs. This year, they did a tournament for a cause in the new SU Lounge. In this event, students play a variety of games and participate in different tournaments, such as babyfoot, Jenga, billiards, ping pong, and FIFA. Then, it's up to the students if they would like to donate for the packs.
This initiative is really important as it was raising awareness about the people that need help, and it was really amazing that I could donate from where I am while also having fun and playing and like with my friends and all. Today I played babyfoot and I donated, and I felt so amazing because, like as I said, I was having fun while playing with my friends, yet also I'm doing an act of kindness, so that was amazing.
After the tournament, the SU collected around 55,000 Egyptian pounds, which allowed them to buy more than 400 backpacks with its supplies for the children of the workers. But in order to make the students part of this act of kindness, they called for volunteers through a certified volunteering program on social media, where students sign up to come and participate in packing the school packs that contain all the essential school supplies.
After the end of the tournament, we collected the money and we bought 400 packs. Each pack contains one pencil, 2 pens, one copybook, one backpack, and a pencil case. And 100 students applied to volunteer in this amazing day.
أنا عرفت عن النهارده من السوشيال ميديا، وكنت حابة من أول ما دخلت الجامعة إن أنا أعمل حاجة زي دي، إن أنا أعمل حاجة للمجتمع وأشارك في حاجة زي دي. فأول ما شفت الفورم يعني أنا عملتها على طول. واللي عجبني في الاكسبيرينس النهارده ان هي الحاجات كلها الكواليتي بتاعتها حلوه وحاجات اساسيه، وان احنا كده بنقدم اي حاجه للمجتمع.
Everyone participated in the event in an assembly line with a specific role, working hard to ensure that every child gets his essential school supplies.
هو كان في assembly لاين كبير، انا كنت اخر مرحله فيه. أنا اللي بقفل الشنطة وبتأكد إن كل حاجة موجودة فيها، وبعد كده بحطها في الكرتونة عشان تتوزع بعد كده.
Indeed, everyone participated in this initiative helped in drawing a smile on the children's faces and creating unforgettable school memories. Mirna Abou El Seoud, AUCTV.